Hi everyone, my name is Sky. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another cool pair of keycaps. Now these are by Resin Party. They make really cool, just solid resin keycaps. And I haven't really seen them, so this is gonna be a first impression / review. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright everyone, so here we have the box from Resin Party, and let's open this up. And remember, if you're interested in any of the keycaps that I review, I will always put all the links as to where you can get them on the websites. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. Really cool, just decals. So let's put those to the side. That's very nice. Thank you for sending that out. And we have one keycap here, I believe. And let's just put the box to the side. Oh wow, looks like we have a bunch of keycaps. That's so cool, so let's check these out. Alright, so here we have, oh, this one's actually not a keycap, that's it. Or it could be, it just doesn't have a stem. So maybe he just sent this as a sample that they do make this, but, or it's just one of those, I forgot what it is, like a good luck cat or something. An Asian culture, I believe. And here we do have, oh, I believe they have this one on their website. This is the Wilson from the Castaway movie from Tom Hanks. This is so cool. This is such a unique keycap. I really like it. It's very cool. So I believe to make these they use 326 resin and just various liquids and glitter. These just seem like very solid resin keycaps, and you see they have their logo in there, Resin Party. Very nice touch. Remember, Cherry MX stem. Make sure your keyboard is compatible. So that one's very cool. So that's the Wilson. And this one is just a solid resin with glitter. But look how nicely polished this is. Very cool keycap. So that seems very nice. And they have the Resin Party branding inside, Cherry MX profile. And this one here is another one. So you see they all come out slightly different. The pattern on them is just different. This looks very nice. Thank you guys so much for sending this out. Very cool keycaps. Seem very sturdy, very nice quality. As you can see, they're actually very thick as well. So let's put these on the keyboard and see how they look. I'm just going to put the Wilson over here. And I'm going to put this resin one just right next to it. So you can all check it out. Very nice looking. And this one is translucent, so the light goes through actually on this one. Very cool. I hope you all like them. Alright everyone, so that was it for the Resin Party keycaps review and unboxing. Definitely check out their website. They're making some pretty cool work there. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I want to give a special thank you to Steve from Resin Party for believing in the channel and sending these out for review. Thank you so much. If you are a new subscriber and you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to leave suggestions in the comments below as to what you want to see in this channel, as to what you want to see this channel grow into. So thank you all so much, and I hope you have a great day.